In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your HP Smart Tank 5106 printer that is printing the blurry text. To fix this problem we have to do the printhead cleaning. That's the automatic printhead cleaning. First is to go to your smartphone and open the HP app. You can download this app from the App Store. Select your printer. Scroll down and look for the diagnostics. Click on the print quality tools. Select the option align printheads and click on the print alignment page. Wait for the printer to print the page. Next step is to scan this page. So open the lid, place it facing down on this corner and then click on the done. Select scan alignment page. Printhead alignment is complete and now we can start using our printer. The blurry effect on the printouts will go away. Thanks for watching.